Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups and access so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, log into the advanced server as an admin and export configurations, firewall, services, and user lists. Make sure to snapshot VMs or create an image of the advanced server. That protects data during rollback. Next, gather original server resources, OS version, packages, and certificates so you can align versions. You'll be ready to copy files and prepare network changes after these checks. You now migrate the configuration and data carefully to the original server. First, stop services that write to the same datasets so nothing changes mid-transfer. Then use rsync with permissions and timestamps preserved or secure copy for small sets. Verify checksums after transfer. Make sure package lists match by installing missing packages or downgrading to the original server's versions where necessary. Once files and packages align, reapply any environment variables and secrets. This ensures services will behave like they did on the advanced server. You perform the switchover by first updating DNS or floating IPs and confirming connectivity to the original server from a test client. Once traffic is directed, start services sequentially, then run health checks and smoke tests. Compare logs and metrics to expected baselines to catch regressions. Make sure you have a timed rollback plan. If anything fails, revert to the advanced server or restore the snapshot within your maintenance window. If problems persist, check permissions, dependencies, and firewall rules as the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.